For 40, they want us to solve equations, so let's just start. For A, I have -6 plus 10x equals x plus 12. I'm going to subtract x from both sides, right? And I'll get -6. 10x minus 1x is plus 9x equals, these cancel 12. I'll add 6 to both sides, and I'm left with 9x equals 18. And I'll divide both sides by 9, and we get x equals 2. For B, right, for B, I have 10 plus 5x equals 2x minus 11. So I'll subtract 2x from both sides. And you can choose to get your variables together or your constants together first. It doesn't matter. So I get 5x and -2x is positive 3x. Equals -11. I'll subtract 10 from both sides. And I have 3x equals -11, and -10 is -21. And then we divide both sides by 3, and I get x equals -7. Okay, for C, we have -9x equals -3x plus 18. I'll add 3x to both sides. And again, yes, you show this work, right? -9 and positive 3 is -6x. These cancel, equals 18. I divide by -6, and I get x equals -3. And the last one, D, I have 2x minus 9 equals -7x. I'll add 9 to both sides, and I get 2x equals -7x plus 9, and I'll add 7x to both sides, and I have 9x equals 9, and then we divide both sides by 9, and I get x equals 1.